Hello Amber, this will be some video feedback on your milestone 1. In general, really nice job. I like the simplicity of it, the repetition of the circular forms. There's a technical issue though that we need to address, and that is the difference between embedding and linking images. And I'll do a little demo using your file, but good job in general. With regard to the design, Amber, just again, I like the simplicity of it. There's 2 images, very evocative. I am perhaps wanting a context for it, though. Perhaps an exterior image somehow, maybe as a pattern in the background. But I wouldn't complicate it. I think you've pared it down in terms of simplicity to a minimal number of ingredients. Typographically, I like it. The italic, this italic is not the same as the logo italic, but they're different enough, I think, to not look like a mistake. Make sure that you convert this, though, to line art, the type, because I probably wouldn't necessarily have that typeface. And you don't want to give it to me because typefaces are, copyrighted as well. And giving them to me might be an infringement of that. So, good use of the corporate palette. Also, admirable that you took your own images, your own photographs. Very appetizing, and what can I say? It's a really professional, competent job. Make perhaps everything flush right and more generous margins. Magazines are trimmed, so you don't want to have type come too close to the edge because it may, get cut off. Good job in making this an even bar visually. Wherever you have a string of numerals, consider coming down a point size. I'll look at your Illustrator file next. Okay, so when I open up your Illustrator file, here's what I get. You can see that the images are missing. When I scroll over them, though, they're there, but they're linked. That's what this X through a box means. It means that the image is linked, but it's not embedded. Okay, so how would you embed an image? It's pretty easy. You go up under File, you go to Place. Now, here's where it gets tricky because of the interface. You see down here, by default, Link is clicked or checked. So make sure that it is not. You don't want to see this. You want to make sure that it is not linked. If you don't hit this, then it will automatically embed the file. So I'm just placing a student's GIF. This could be a JPEG or a TIFF. Notice that it does not have an X through it. That means that it is embedded and not linked. And it behaves just like any other, image file. You can size it. You can distort it. I wouldn't do that, and so forth. And so when you save this, the image travels with the Illustrator file. It makes the file freestanding and independent. It makes the file larger too, though. You have to be careful of that. Finally, Amber, it's good that you're keeping track of your sources. There is a third portion of this entire class is a reflective document at the end. So keep taking screenshots. Good job, and record your process. I like the personalized touch of your process. I think I'll leave it here. If I haven't covered anything, just let me know.